Cracking your joints, good or bad? Well, in order for us to understand that, we first got to understand what cracking a joint actually is. So, if my two hands are bones and they're connected by a joint, in between them there's this thing called synovial fluid meant to cushion the joint. And in the synovial fluid are these little bubbles of gas that, when a joint is pulled apart, simply get released, causing a sound. Similarly, if I put two of my hands together and pull them apart super fast. So for the actual joint, cracking doesn't have any benefits, neither does it have any negatives.